Howdy, and welcome to Broken Tool Garage. I bought a set of those valve covers, those aluminum fabricated ones that look pretty awesome, the cheap ones, but I wasn't happy with the hardware. So I changed it out and now I got an oil leak, right? So looking at these valve covers here, and well, you kind of know how this goes, is you got a modified, modifier. Let me show you how I'm doing it. Okay, the next little endeavor is the bolts that I replaced those pot metal pieces of crap with. Right there, right? Yeah. These are also skinnier, so some of the washers don't fit on a real bolt. But we are just a hair long, right? So I'll need to make a little spacer in there to keep this bolt from bottoming out before it gets the valve cover on. Now, I could use that piece of crap fiber reinforced gasket that you can put RTV on both sides and it still won't seal. And if you do seal, you never get your valve cover off. But I'm using a nice molded rubber one, so I don't have to worry about it. Just has to kind of sit on there. So here's what we're going to do to make our shim. What I figured out is this 3/8 fuel line will bump the tripod quite nicely. Now I'm making it coming from that direction right up to the roller edge right there. And I found doing that, whatever that length is, will get it to where it seats down in there good against the valve cover. And it'll lock that bolt in nicely, right? So I'm just going to cut that and put that on. The other four, I already got the other one on, but that's just a trick right there that I figured out.